think there's a number of layers that make it quite an exciting project and significant. Firstly, it's a continuation of the restoration work that's been done to date within the marae grounds, and so it just continues on that work. And then secondly, we've got a mana whenua-led project that's co-partnered with Environment Canterbury, the Regional Council, and funded through both Environment Canterbury and Ministry for the Environment through their Freshwater Improvement Fund. So we've got a model that really is working towards that true partnership model where mana whenua are leading decision making and doing something that benefits not only them and their members and whānau, but also benefits that wider landscape in terms of water quality and feeding into Waihora in that bigger landscape context.